What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel where we give you the best AI tips and tricks for YouTube. Today we are going to walk through how to make these easy Reddit videos with video game backgrounds. Typically Minecraft, GTA, and Fall Guys are used, but any game that is trending and are relatively slow paced should work great if certain games go out of style. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and all of the tools will be linked in the description down below. The first thing you're going to want to do is go to Veed.io. Once you're at Veed.io, you're going to want to click New Video and Create Project. Now if you already have the gameplay that you want to use for the video, just upload the file up here. But in this tutorial, we're going to get our gameplay from YouTube. So click YouTube, and you're going to see this, add a YouTube video. Now we're going to have to find the link to a YouTube video. So go to youtube.com and search up Minecraft or GTA, whatever gameplay that you want. For this tutorial, we're going to use Minecraft. Now when looking for gameplay, you have to make sure you have the right to use the gameplay. Okay, so free to use, that's, that looks good. No ads, no credit. Okay, but the best way YouTube already does this is click filters and click Creative Commons. Okay, all these videos you're able to use under fair use, which is why they're put in the Creative Commons. That's what the Creative Commons is for. Now this is the one thing you're going to run into. Okay, there's going to be two different display types. There's the TikTok vertical up and down, or the YouTube full screen style displays. Okay, in this tutorial I think I'm going to go with the TikTok up and down vertical. And once we figured out that we like this gameplay, we're going to copy the link and paste it in Veed. Now once it's uploaded to Veed, you'll see it down here. The first thing we're going to want to do is right click on it, go to audio, and detach audio. See, this shows audio right here. Okay, I'm gonna delete this, but if you want to keep the audio, you can sit there and cut it. That's the way to find the audio for the gameplay. If you ever uploaded a link, sometimes the video is blurred on both sides, so it's fits the YouTube aspect ratio, and it looks like this, black on both sides, or it's blurred. What you're gonna want to do is go to size. See where right here it should say original. This is YouTube aspect ratio, and we're gonna scroll down. There's Instagram story and TikTok right here, so it fixes it. It's very easy in Veed to fix the aspect ratio. It's just a little bit confusing if you don't know what you're doing. So size right there. See, we're gonna go to reddit.com. Here on Reddit, we're going to want to find a thread that we're going to use. A good place to find a thread is Ask Reddit. But if you're doing niches like, scary stories or funny moments, you're going to want to look for some interesting topics that people would like to watch or might catch somebody off guard. Once we've found a thread, we're going to want to screenshot or use the snippet tool. Okay, if you have a Mac, right now I'm on Windows. If you have a Mac, you're going to have to find a way to screenshot or have your own snippet tool. Do a little research. I'm not quite sure. But in Windows, we're going to push the window button plus Shift plus S at the same time. It's going to look like this. Then we're going to click and hold, and try to get the whole thread right there. Then it's going to pop up on the right. Make sure to click right here and save up here. It is not saved once you have just done the snippet. Then we're going to need to name it. We're just going to put Reddit 1 and then save. Now to keep it clean, I put it in its own folder, the screenshot or the snip, I guess. If you want to do the classic Reddit, as the voice is reading along, the words are popping up, we could easily do this by opening it up with Paint. Once it's in Paint, you're going to want to just click the erase and start erasing. Okay, I would erase where there's commas or there's natural breaks when you read it, but when you erase, it automatically turns white. This is why editing in Paint is the best way to go. It's already white. You don't have to, do weird coloring. And then we would go to File and then push Save As and then PNG. And then when we save it, we're going to want to rename this one 1.1. Now we do the next word, and we're going to just go down the line. Save As 1.2 now. I'm going to do a couple words this time. See, so now it's just which. And this is going to be the last one. 1.3. So we have 1, 1.1, 1.2, and 1.3. Once you have all your snippets, you want to start dragging them into the Veed editor in order from top to the bottom. So 3, 2, 1, and then no, or 0. Now I have all the screenshots in Veed. You could edit it and make it bigger or smaller. It's going to be on TikTok. I think this will be completely fine. See, this is the last one, so see when you do it, which fun facts are completely wrong. Okay. And it, without moving it, if you want to edit it, if it's YouTube, you can make it bigger and stuff like that. But now we're going to need to go get the voice that actually reads the comment. The best voice that I like to use is from AITextspeak.com. The first thing we're going to need to do is select the language. I like English UK, but English US does just fine. I find the UK is just a little better. I do Mel Ryan. Okay, then we're going to want to go to the thread and just copy the sentence and paste in the text. Easy. Okay, you can add pauses if it's a longer style. If it's longer, you can add pauses. You could change the output volume and the speaking rate. Okay, now you could preview if you want to preview.
Which fun facts are completely wrong?
Okay, I think that was fine. And then once you're ready to download, press synthesize to file. See, now if it didn't bring you down here, the file is just going to be down here. All your files you'll ever use in AI Text Speak will be down here. Once you're here, go and press download, which is this button. And now it's downloaded. Show in file or folder. Now once we have the audio, we could just drag the audio into Veed. The audio is right here. As you can see, the audio is smaller, so what we're going to want to do is zoom in using this. It just makes it a little smaller. Then what we're going to do is try to fit the words, see which, when it's being said. Okay, so then let me listen to it.
Which fun?
Got which about right there. So we're going to drag all the way to there. And drag this to that point. We are at fun facts R.
Fun facts are.
That's R. And the startup completely. Drag.
Completely.
That's completely. And then let's zoom out a little bit so we can get this. Zoom back in and just drag over here. We don't have to time it. I'll just end it where the blue ends.
Which fun facts are completely wrong?
Okay, so after that's done, you can add a transition. I'll have links in the description below. Just download them and then drag and drop into the Veed editor. And then once they're dragged and dropped, usually the video, see, let's zoom out real quick. And then zoom a little bit back in. See, the video goes to the end. So if it's ever lost after you dragged it, then just drag it. And let's go right here. Go zoom. and keep on dragging it. So yeah, a little wonky, but it works and it's gonna look good. So watch when I get it to right here. Let's see how it looks.
Which fun facts are completely wrong?
And then that's it. Then we would go back to the thread and find the next, comment, and go back to the snipping tool and just repeat the process over and over until we have the minute or 2 minutes for TikTok and the 10-minute video for YouTube. Now here's the final result of what we've made in this video.
Which fun facts are completely wrong?
I hope you enjoyed the video. Like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure to click the notification bell so you don't miss any more AI tips and tricks. Thank you for watching, and see you later.